education.
India is asking to fix the education system.
Yes.
केन पाईपीन लीक जाता तुमकां ते पयली क्लीन करपाचें आसता ते पयली फिक्स करपाचें आसता हांगा लीक जाता आनी when this system is leaking it is bleeding blood of the innocent students. And when the students, you're literally killing the students by crushing their dream. You're like destroying their dreams. All the sacrifices done by the students to answer an exam. And why? Why does it matter to me? Somebody in Rajasthan, somebody in Madhya Pradesh, somebody in Delhi committed suicide. Their family should matter. Why does it matter to me? Because we are part of the system. Equally as much as others are. And when we ask for accountability, we mean it. So Dharmendra Pradhan istifa do. Dharmendra Pradhan istifa do. Dharmendra Pradhan istifa do. And this is the voice of India. And this is the voice of Goa. Whatever happened in Delhi today, in the morning, the idea was, chalo सांसदाच्या वांगडा उठाय गोंयकारांना आणि आम्ही त्यांच्या वांगडा चलपाक जाय अशी आमची आस आशिल्ली. पण सकाळ सांजे आम्ही न्यूज पळयता. अरे तुमकां तरी न्यूज पळोवपाक मेळ्ळा तरी आसतले. But since morning I have been just running around the police stations and at this point I first would like to thank Goa police for being with us, showing solidarity.
ये अंदर की बात है, पुलिस हमारे साथ है. ये अंदर की बात है,
पुलिस हमारे साथ है.
मोबाईल ची टॉर्च.
इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो,
इस्तीफा दो,
इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो,
इस्तीफा दो,
इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो,
इस्तीफा दो.
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की
जय.
इन्कलाब
जिंदाबाद,
इन्कलाब
जिंदाबाद,
इन्कलाब
जिंदाबाद,
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
इन्कलाब जिंदाबाद,
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
इन्कलाब जिंदाबाद,
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
इन्कलाब जिंदाबाद,
हिंदुस्तान
जिंदाबाद,
हिंदुस्तान
जिंदाबाद,
हिंदुस्तान
जिंदाबाद,
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद.
नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी
तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी,
नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी
तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी.
आमका नका बीजेपी सरकार नका. अरे गोंयकारांनो आसात न्हू तुमी. स्वताच म्हणटात की एक चिंगाडी पुरो, एक बारीक कीट पुरो स्वताच म्हणटात. आणि जी गोंयकारांच्या आमच्या युथाच्या काळजान पेटल्या ती आयज ह्या आझाद मैदानार दिसती पडटा. सगळ्यांक आमकां दिसती पडटा. कित्याक आमची काळजां रडटा. वी आर क्रायिंग, आवर हार्ट्स आर ब्लीडिंग. Why? Because our brothers and sisters, our youngsters, our future of Goa, future of India, he has committed suicide. Even after life. That they have given up their lives. For what? For what? To have fair examination? So that there should not be any leak. And that is what we are all demanding. And we have all seen what is happening in Delhi and how the protest is called off and what has happened in Delhi. We are all aware of this. ही जी वाट आसा, हो जो उजवाड आसा, आमच्या NGOचे नाव जावन आसा उजवाड. And till today we never came out on the street. Till today we never came out on the street to have a protest like this, a peaceful protest like this. We always had street plays on environmental and other issues. Suicide prevention is a major issue. And when we heard that our youth are committing suicide because the failure of the system, we are broken. And therefore we are grateful that this huge number at Azad Maidan is a proof that we are not happy with what is going on. We are completely not happy. And that is That's the reason why we are here. And या उजवाडाचं आम्ही we have to take a promise of this light. या उजवाडाचं प्रॉमिस घेऊन आम्ही प्रत्येक गोंयकार फुडें सरतले. We are going to create awareness and awareness on all the issues, especially when it comes to education, because education is the entire system on which entire world, entire country of ours is dependent on. So Sogli Goikarano and the people who are not Goans, who have come here, we are really appreciating your presence over here. Thank you so much for your presence.
कुछ भी कर लो आजादी जीत लेंगे आजादी आजादी हम लेकर रहेंगे आजादी तुम कुछ भी कर लो आजादी तुम कुछ भी कर लो आजादी हम लेकर रहेंगे आजादी हम लेकर रहेंगे आजादी तुम कुछ भी कर लो आजादी भ्रष्टाचार से आजादी अरे जीत चले रे जीत चले जीत चले अरे जीत चले रे जीत चले जीत चले अरे जीत चले रे जीत चले जीत चले अरे जीत चले रे जीत चले जीत चले
सगळ्याकडे एक मागता ज्यांच्याकडे कॅन्डल्स ना त्यांनी आपले मोबाईल ऑन करचो टॉर्च ऑन करचो जेणेकरून हो जो उजवाड आमचो आसा तो प्रधानमंत्री पर्यंत पावली आणि ताका स्वताची लज दुसरी सगळ्यांक काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. हांव चड काय उलयना, इतलेंच सांगता आमचो देश वाट पळयतालो केन्ना झेंजी भायर सरतले काय म्हणून, आणि जो पर्यंत झेंजी भायर सरना तो मेरेन बीजेपी सरकार आमचेर अत्याचार करीत आशिल्ली. आज दिल्लीन सगळे झेंजी भायर सरले सांगपाक बीजेपी सरकार तुझ्या प्रधानांक काढून उडय, नातर प्रधानमंत्री मोदी तू रिझाईन जा आणि खुर्ची सोड. आज आम्ही गोंयांतल्यान प्रमोद सावंत सरकाराक सांगपाक सोदता, जो आमचो वांगचूक सर आमच्या देशा खातीर थंय उपोशणाक बसला ताका मेसेज धाड, गोंयकार उठला. आणि जेन्ना गोंयकार उठता तेन्ना फुडल्याची कोशिश ही आमी दाखयतले. कारण आता ओगी रावपाचो टायम ना, आता भिवपाची गरज आमकां न्ही. प्रधानाचो जर राजीनामा दिना याच्या परस व्हडा संख्येन फक्त यूथ देतले आणि मोदीक सांगतले, मोदी सरकार तुझे घडे पडले आता घरात दवर.
नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी. हम भूखमरी से आजादी आजादी आजादी
In one voice, Goa demands the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. We are expressing our solidarity with Sonam Wangchuk. He is fighting against a system that is corrupt. Power that is shown. I am proud of this girl, Amreen. I am proud of this NGO led by my sister Sandra Pereira Uzwad. To bring everybody together in one voice. Goa is with Sonam Wangchuk, what Wangchuk is demanding, it is not an international demand. He is demanding that Ladakh should get some rights. The tribals of Ladakh should get some rights. We were also demanding special status for Goa. It was not anti-national. Within our India, we want that Goa should be protected. 39A should be scrapped. Our trees, our hills should be saved. All our just demands of Goa. We want our mother river to be saved. And we are expressing our solidarity with our nation. We are proud that we are Indians. Corrupt education ministers such as Pradhan to resign, and we are with Sonam Wangchuk. Dev Maripur.
आमका जाय आमचे गोय आमका जाय आमचे गोय इस्तीफा दो आमका नका बीजेपी सरकार आमका नका सरकार आमका नका इस्तीफा दो तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी जिंदाबाद 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 इनकलाब 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 जिंदाबाद मोदी हटाओ देश बचाओ मोदी हटाओ देश बचाओ देश बचाओ देश बचाओ मोदी हटाओ 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 देश बचाओ बीजेपी हटाओ देश बचाओ देश बचाओ
Okay, so guys, this protest, first of all, let's give a big round of applause to Amrit and Uswad and these wonderful girls at Uswad who have brought this protest to happen today. So big round of applause for all of us. What happened in Delhi yesterday in the morning with Sonam Wangchuk sir was completely unacceptable. It reminded me of what this Goa government did to our very own Viresh Borkar in the TCB department. This proves that this BJP government in the state and in the center has become arrogant and needs to go. Needs to go. He will not stop till Dharmendra Pradhan resigns. The main reason why Sonam Wangchuk went on that 20-day strike was to ensure that the BJP government is held accountable and Dharmendra Pradhan should resign.
इस्तीफा दो
इस्तीफा दो इस्तीफा दो इस्तीफा दो इस्तीफा दो इस्तीफा दो इस्तीफा दो इस्तीफा दो इस्तीफा दो इस्तीफा दो इस्तीफा दो सोनम वांगचुक तुम आगे बढ़ो हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं सोनम वांगचुक तुम आगे बढ़ो हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं सोनम वांगचुक तुम आगे बढ़ो हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
today, but this is the first time you're here today, and we must ask ourselves why. Will we only realize when the injustice lands up on our door feet? Stand up for each and every issue that comes your way. And while Sonam Wangchuk brought attention to this issue, the students have also been fasting next to him, to Neha Bora, to Manish Kumar. We stand with them. Remember, across the world, the most important protests have been led by students, have been by students, and have been for students, and this will be the day. Hello. A big request to all of you. We are going to do a deep reflection. Not that we need it, but we need to reach out to all the corrupt politicians, okay, in the country. I request all of you to close your eyes at this moment, okay, and reflect deeply. And let our voices reach to each and every politician and leader who refuses to be a part of this movement. And what is the reflection? We all have families, we all have children in our families, there are youth in our families. We do everything right from teaching values to our children about right, wrong and goodness. Aren't we answerable to our children, the custodians of the future of what is right? So isn't it a bounden duty, as the Constitution says, to protect the interests of everybody, especially children and youth? Yes. Yes. To do what is right. And if youth are dying, isn't the conscience alive to feel? हमका वाइट किस पग जाएनी?
Yes.
हमको दुख लगना चाहिए.
Yes.
So we need to ask our politicians, what are you going to tell your children? How are you facing your children? There is so much corruption in the country. And it is amazing that the youth have risen up. And this will continue. Till this wave reaches and cleans the country of all corruption. Jai Hind.
जीतले रे जीतले अरे जीतले रे जीतले अरे जीतले रे जीतले अरे जीतले रे जीतले
आमका जाय
सोनम वांचूक आमका जाय सोनम वांचूक आमका जाय.
Alright, first to start off, it's amazing to see a lot of youngsters over here. Did you all enjoy this?
Yes.
So come for the next protest as well.
Yes.
We'll be putting out more. So listen to it. We've got another Uttaire going around over here, if you guys know. Woo. We've got some boys going around passing postcards over here, alright?
Yes.
And we're going to be sending those postcards to whom?
Dharmendra Pradhan.
Yeah, he can't hear our voice, but at least maybe he knows how to read. I doubt he
He
knows.
can't read. He can't read.
But I'm sure his assistant will read the postcards to him. We know you can't read, but our cards are going to come to you. So please take these postcards, write what you want to him. And there are two boys over there inside the Azad Maidan who are collecting. If you don't want to post it or so, it's fine. There's a boy Kleto and Klein over there. They are picking up the postcards. So just pick up some postcard, write what you want and give over there. If you do not get a postcard today, make sure you get one. It's just 50 paise to buy. And you can find his address online because he's a public servant.
Yes.
Let's start this movement, and a shout out to my boys Kleto and Klein for getting this idea over here. And a huge shout out to all our youth over here. Can you say with me, Uttaire?
गोयकरांनो विरोधासाठी नाही रे.
गोंयकारांनो, तुमकां जरी तर आयज हांगा येवचें पडलें, तुम्ही जरी तर आयज आमी हांगा जमल्या, तेच्या खातीर तुमकां खूब उडो मारचो पडलो. आणि जरी तर आता आमी उठली, आता उठाय रे गोंयकारांनो, उठाय रे गोंयकारांनो म्हणून जरी तर आता आमी उठल्या, जाल्यार परत इतले बेगीन न्हिदपाक वचनाका. From last few days, I was having sleepless night. My friends here were having sleepless nights, and that time the only thing we remember is that somebody in Delhi is not just having sleepless nights but also empty stomach.
Yes.
For the people with empty brains. आता हांव सगळ्यां कडेन मागपाक विचारपाक सोदता की आमकां सगळ्यांक आतां एज्युकेशन सिस्टम फिक्स जाल्लो जाय. आमकां सगळ्यांक जाय की धर्मेंद्र प्रधानान रेजिग्नेशन दिवचें. आणि तुम्ही ज्या भशेन घेवच्यो मारला बेड्डो सुद्धा तुमकां आयकपाक शकतलो, पण आमची सरकार तुमकां जरी तर आयकपाक शकची ना, जाल्यार जरी तर आमी परत हांगा परत येवचे. So, guys, we are also planning to take this protest to other parts of Goa where Goan youth is there, but they could not come here today. So, please stay tuned for our next protest that is going to happen in Mapsa, hopefully on Wednesday. On Wednesday, with the permission of the police, just like today, and it will start near the Gandhi statue, near the Gandhi statue in Mapsa, and then we will walk to Lohya Maidan. तुम्ही परत येवचे.
आमका नका धर्मेंद्र प्रधान, आमका नका.
For more details about the Mapsa protest, please follow Uswad. We will be posting continuously about what we are planning and how we are planning the next protest. Please, your suggestions are very much valued, because for us, the future really is very valuable. Our lives are very valuable. India's future is precious, and guess what? It's in your hand right now, and it is very much bright. Light the candles. So today also we had permission, but just most of y'all might not know this is unofficial. Last minute the permission was revoked. And I'm sorry that I'm also telling you at the last moment, just like Goa Police. Goa Police ki jai. I'm just inspired by them at this point. Yes, lots of love, Goa Police. And now, okay, so we just got to know Mapsa. We have got permission for the protest.
Let's go!
No objection.
Let's go! Let's go, Mapsa!
We will post it for you all to read this. 4:30 to 5:30. 4:30 to 5:30. 4:30 to 5:30.
The students have taken permission.
4:30 to 5:30. So आताचो उजो आमच्या भितर आसा, हो उजवाड सगळ्याक पावपाक जाय. हो उजवाड जे कारखासन येयला तेका सगळ्याक पावपाक जाय. आणि we will light this candle near the martyrs tower that we have martyrs pillar, because that is the inspiration. We are the same generation, we are the same people. ज्यांचे ancestors, not just Gandhiji was an ancestor for ahimsa and satyagraha, our ancestors was also Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. Balaram Mapari, ते सुद्धा आमचे ancestors झाले आसा. आणि time मेळ्ळ्यार we can get inspired by anybody.
Yes!
not voting.
आमका नका
वांचूक सर तुम आगे बढ़ो,
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं,
वांचूक सर तुम आगे बढ़ो.
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं.
एकूच गजाल चड सांगचो ना कित्याक सगळ्यांनी युद्ध आयज युद्ध दीस माझ्या कान मातशें बिगडला व्याख्या आसता. एक गजाल सांगूंक सोदता, भिवपाची गरज ना, भिवपाची गरज ना. सरकाराक भिवपाची गरज आसा. कित्याक तांकां दिसताले की आमचे यूथ न्हिदला आनी आमी बीन काही प्रमाणात फेल झाले. आमी कितें म्हणटाले यूथ न्हिदला रे, पूण आयज गोंयच्या युथांनी गोंयच्या जेन्सीन दाखोवन दिल्ले आसा की आमी आयज यूथ जेन्ना जेन्ना गोंयकार उठ्ठा
सगळ्यांचे फुटता.
जेन्ना जेन्ना जेन्सी उठ्ठा
सगळ्यांचे फुटता.
तेन्ना सरकाराची फुटता.
Now, let's end this by taking you back to school. Students, सावधान. एक साथ राष्ट्रगीत शुरू करेंगे. शुरू कर.
बीजेपी का पॅक करचे पडटले भायर बी झेंडे कब चलेगा तुमका
Yeah, where are you? Recording. झाडू